See that sugar rushes?
No, sugar rush means whenever you get all hyper because you've eaten sugar.
Daisy, did you say Happy Easter morning? Yes. Happy Easter, Daisy. Well,
Happy.
Look, Mama Billy, it fits on my ear.
What is
oh,
that?
now that's just lovely,
What
guys.
is that?
And I fixed well, there's going to be fewer Easters for somebody I know that's sitting there with
How do you get that, Katie?
It's an Easter, I think.
Hey.
You got the baseball. I didn't get a baseball.
You got a baseball? Is it chocolate? I wonder if it's chocolate. I don't know the truth about it.
You got another baseball.
Hello.
They didn't make.
I didn't get fancy.
I got the Long Grove of Confectionery Comb. With it has cookies and little carrot chocolate. And then it has a bunny of course. And a lot of other.
Mm.
How come chocolate is such an Easter?